A rights group is also making their voices heard amid the never-ending controversy surrounding the flood control scandal. Ivy Reyes joins us on the phone from Quezon City. Hi, Ivy. What can you tell us?
My rights group World March of Women Philippines took to the Ombudsman and calls to hold controversy to account at the soonest possible time. They, however, oppose calls for President Bongbong Marcos to step down and echo the palace's position that there exist those who want to take over the government at such a critical time.
Ang panawagan namin ay accountability ng lahat. Kinakailangan lahat ay imbestigahan. Hindi kami nananawagan nga lamang ng pagpapalit na agaran ng gobyerno dahil ito'y mga ngahulugan ng power grab ng mga nais magsamantala sa kasalukuyang disgusto ng taong bayan.
Executive Director Jean Enriquez said corruption exacerbates the toll of women exposed not only to violence, but situations directly affecting women and children, such as the climate crisis.
Ang korupsyon ay karahasan sa kababaihan dahil napakalalim ng epekto nito sa ekonomiya, sa pang-ekonomiyang kabuhayan ng mga kababaihan. Ito rin ay nagdudulot ng psychological violence sa mga kababaihan at kumikitil din ng buhay.
World March of Women also scored the Independent Commission for Infrastructure's decision to live stream succeeding hearings. ICI released the live streaming guidelines last week, but as to when live stream hearings will commence, the commission is yet to inform the press. Meanwhile, the group also called on the government to hold the Dutertes accountable, such as Vice President Sara Duterte and the confidential funds used by her office. The group ex-lawmaker Zaldi Poe to surrender himself and present his side of the story. They add justice should roll wherever the evidence points to.
Ivy, you're coming in a bit choppy, but I just want to ask you, where are we on the live streaming of the hearings?
Like I said, the guidelines were released last week, and while all hearings will be live streamed publicly, executive sessions are an exemption, meaning resource persons may opt to request an executive session, which is subject to the commission's approval. Also, the press needs to pass an application to be able to participate in the live streaming.
Thank you, Ivy Reyes, reporting to us from Quezon City.